everyone, Bigora official viewers. Welcome to our channel. Today we are talking about a massive revolution in the tech world. It started silently, but it will leave its mark on 2026. The second act of the AI era is opening right now. We all use tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, Grok, or Gemini. We give them commands to write things for us, or ask them to draw pictures. For example, a happy dog picture, or prompt happy dog in a park. It produces many alternatives for us instantly. They certainly make our lives easier, that's for sure. But let's be honest about one thing. These tools are still a bit passive. You give a command and it gives you a text or an image. And then, what happens next? Taking that text and pasting it into your email, downloading that image and adding it to your presentation. It is still your job to do that manually. This was generative AI as we knew it until today. It just generated. It didn't actually do the work. But hold on tight. Please focus right here for a moment. There are new developments because the rules of the game are changing. It's no longer just producing content, it takes action on your behalf. It makes plans, strategies, and completes tasks autonomously. A new type of AI is coming. The new favorite of the tech world, Agentic AI. So, what exactly is this Agentic AI? And what is the difference from the old model? Let's examine this great evolution together. This area here is the old model, the generative AI we use right now. The process is simple and linear. You, the user, give a prompt. For example, write me a poem about Istanbul. The AI brain works and generates a response, like text or an image. As you can see in the diagram, the arrows don't end there. The result comes back to you. Notice the text below. User completes the task. That means it's a manual process. You got the poem, but sending it is your responsibility. The AI only generated, it didn't execute. Now, turn your eyes to that exciting area. This is the new model, the world of Agentic AI. You can see the difference immediately at the entrance. It's not a command anymore, you set a goal. For example, you don't simply say, write me a poem. You say this instead, find the best flight ticket for my London trip next month. And buy it for me. That's where the magic starts. Look at the Agent AI brain in the center. It doesn't just think, it has robotic arms and tools. This AI breaks down your goal of buying a ticket to London into smaller steps, just like a human would. And notice the arrows in the diagram. It starts using tools on its own. First, it uses the Search Web tool to scan flights. Then, it accesses the Manage Calendar tool to check your availability. Maybe it needs to do a complex calculation. Then it activates the Run Code tool. And finally, with your approval or completely autonomously, it uses the Buy tool to purchase the ticket. What is the result? That big check mark on the right autonomously completes the task. You just showed the target, it handled the rest. The manual process loop is broken. Friends, this is not just a tech change, it is a massive mindset change. We will no longer think of AI as a talented intern. We will think of it as an agent that takes initiative and makes decisions, serving as your digital hands and arms. What does this mean in real life? Imagine waking up in the morning and telling your AI agent this. Get quotes from 5 different suppliers today, choose the best one. And prepare a pre-order form. While you drink your coffee, it sends emails and fills out forms. Or imagine you are a developer. Find the bug in this GitHub repo and write a patch to fix it. It goes, reads the code, runs the tests, and presents a solution. Of course, this great power brings great questions. How much will we trust these agents? What if they make a mistake with our money? What if, in order to achieve the goal we've set, they choose a path we wouldn't approve of? Security, control, and AI ethics will be the most discussed topics soon. To wrap it up, Bigora family, Generative AI gave us a digital pen. Agentic AI gives us digital hands and arms. 2026 and beyond will be an exciting and somewhat frightening period in which we explore what these digital hands are capable of. What do you think? Are you ready to share control of your life with an AI agent that acts on your behalf? Or are you one of those who say, "The old model is enough for me, I want to stay in control"? Let's discuss this in the comments and delve deeper into the topic there. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to Bigora Official so you don't miss out on more technology analyses like this. See you in the next video. Stay tuned for science and technology.